here at the parking garage of the Pickering GO station, but first, there goes a train. Alright. And that elevator has just opened. Oh, V train! V-rail. Right, let's... We got a V-rail coming in.
Is it a V-rail?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look.
Look at this. It shook the windows. There it goes. Coincidence. We'll set this down. Alright, we can go out now, Devin. It will close.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, Dewhurst US 85 fixtures in there. There it goes. There's the door operator. I like that. Oh, there goes the train. That's it. Sorry I missed this earlier, rail fanners, but look what we have here.
The train, the train, the train. Big one.
This is at the Pickering GO station. Just gonna get it.
Walk over closer.
Okay. Wait, so. Yep, that's right, rail fanners. We got an auto rack here. We were just minding our own business on the elevators when all of a sudden, when we first went down to one, I immediately pointed out to my mother that we saw a train, and then we just went up here to the 4th floor. I know. Sounds like an ambulance.
Yikes.
That just reminded me of the time when I was rail fanning, and at the Newmarket GO station, and an ambulance got stopped at the railway crossing. New flyer down there.
Ended yet. Still longer.
I don't think I could actually kind of see the end.
Yeah, because I can't see it.
I kind of can. After a little, yeah, I kind of see. Sorry if you can't see it, folks.
Okay.
See it? I think, yeah. So yeah, guys, we got an auto rack here.
I wonder what kind of car it is. Well, it looks like it's
There
empty.
goes a new flyer.
Yeah.
New. That's a kind of bus.
Oh.
Ontario, okay, this is out of subject, but Ontario's elevators has been here before. Two of the platform elevators over there, two of the platform elevators behind the train are a little not greatly maintained.
Well, they're a little dirty. That's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, kind of like the elevator in there is really dirty. Two new elevators have just
Here's
opened.
the end.
Oh yeah, there it is.
I wonder how long it will drive so slowly like this.
I don't know. Maybe it's a yellow signal ahead of it.
So while we've been here, we've seen everything. We've seen two via trains. We've seen.
I got shot of one via rail. I've got shot of a GO train in an elevator video.
Yeah.
I got shot of another GO train before an elevator video. And yeah.
And now our
And now
freight
just
train.
yeah, an auto rack. And there's graffiti on the cars. I don't know if this is all for decoration because a lot of people would do this on auto rack cars
They do.
for some odd reason. All right, there's the last car of the train. And yes, we are on the Pickering GO Station, the Pickering GO Station Sky Bridge right now. There's a closer look at the last car. 2 new elevators have just opened. Those two stairways are stairways. Those are not incline elevators. There are 2 new elevators a little further down the bridge. Hope you enjoyed, Real Fanners.